Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook chicken vegetable soup. So I have 400 grams of minced chicken. This chicken I minced it myself. I used one whole chicken breast and minced it, so I got 400 grams of minced chicken and 1 cup of all each of the vegetable. For vegetable, you can pick any vegetable of your choice. So today I have 1 cup of cucumber, green beans, carrot, yellow onions, radish, tomato, mushroom, and this is 6 cloves of garlic. I cut it into cube, and I have 2 cups of cubed potatoes. And for the seasoning, I have 1 tablespoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I also have 3 bay leaves. I'll be using some olive oil and also water as well. Since all the vegetables have already prepared, I'm going to start off with marinated chicken. I'm going to put it in the mixing bowl, bigger bowl, and I'm going to put about ½ teaspoon of salt. Just put a bit more, and put half of the pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then just gonna mix it. Alright, chicken is marinated. Now we can go and cook it. To cook the vegetable soup, I'm going to straight away cook it in the soup pot. Going to heat the pot. Put in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Put in the garlic and onions. So we're going to fry the garlic and the onions until fragrant. And now we're going to put in the chicken. Put in the chicken like this, right? It might be slightly dry. I'm going to add in just a little bit of water. And we're going to give it a stir. Give it a mix until all the chicken is separated and change color. Okay, now we are going to put in all the vegetable that we have. Carrot, white radish, button mushroom, cucumber, potato, tomato, a lot of vegetable, green beans, and we're going to put in the water. That's 500 ml and another 500 ml here. So and another 500 ml here. So altogether is about 1.5 liter of water. Give it a mix. Oh. Now I'm going to put in the balance of the salt, just half of it. We're going to keep some to taste in case it's salty, right? So I put all of the pepper. I didn't realize that the camera was off. I have just put in 3 pieces of bay leaf. And I'm going to cover the lid and bring it to boil. Soup is boiling. When it is boiling, I'm going to reduce the heat to low heat and set the time for 1 hour. 1 more minute to go. Look at that. The soup has been boiling for 1 hour. Time's up. And now we're going to taste it. Wow, it's very tasty and very sweet. At this stage, you want to add more seasoning, the salt, the pepper, or any sauce, you can do so. But for this soup, it's perfect. It's very delicious and very sweet. Remember, I have some balance of the salt. This is about 1/4 of the tablespoon, so I will not be using this salt because the soup is already delicious and tasty. I have about 1/2 cup of green peas, frozen green peas. I'm going to add in some more green peas. For this green pea, it's just for the purpose of making the soup look colorful. Okay, just continue to boil for another 2 minutes for the green pea to cook, and then we're going to dish out and serve. Look at that clear vegetable soup with chicken. Wow, the soup is very tasty, very savory, and it's so sweet. The chicken is tasty and tender, and the vegetables are all very soft, can melt in the mouth. The soup is very sweet from all the natural sweetness from the vegetable that we put in, and a little hint of sourness from the tomato, and the savory taste and fragrance of the bay leaf. It really goes very well together. You can have it on its own, can have it with bread, or you can even have it with rice. If you happen to try, do share with us in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.